Every time you leave WhatsApp to update a Salesforce contact, you lose your place, and the note you meant to log never gets logged. The Salesforce Mini-CRM view brings your contact records right into WhatsApp. Create them, edit them, and log events, tasks, and calls without ever leaving the conversation. And everything syncs to Salesforce the moment you save. Let's walk through it. Open the chat, click the Salesforce icon in the right sidebar, and click the contact header at the top. Already in your CRM? Link to an existing Salesforce contact from the dropdown. If not, click Create Contact, fill in the details, and save. Then jump straight to the record with View Contact on Salesforce. The first section that opens under Contact is the Profile section. Your contact's details right there. Click Edit on the contact card and you can pick exactly which properties show and mark each one required or optional. Click Apply to update the card, fill in your fields, and hit Save. Now that the profile's set, the second header under Contact is Events. Click New Event, complete the fields, and click Save Event. Then open it in the CRM anytime with View Event on Salesforce. The third header is Tasks, so nothing slips through the cracks. Click New Task, add the details, and click Save Task. Need to change one? The three-dot menu lets you edit or delete it. And at the bottom of the Contact section, you'll find Call Logs. Click Add Call Log, enter what was said, and click Save Call Log. It drops into the list right away, ready to edit from that same three-dot menu. And that's the Salesforce Mini-CRM. Your whole contact record, managed from the chat, synced the second you save. Try it today.